Your discomfort zone. You've never built a business before, so how could you know the difference between when you should quit versus when you are being presented with a growth opportunity? Unless you are an accountant, your evaluation of when you think you should quit is unqualified and will mostly be based on your feelings of discomfort. Not only that, your business's growth will depend on your tolerance of discomfort, because many tasks will require you to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, your discomfort does not equate to how your business is doing. It only reflects how you are currently reacting to building your business. If you are committed, you should suspend any judgment resulting from discomfort and growing pains. As you accept that building your business will require you to keep taking small steps into your discomfort zone to complete necessary tasks, your comfort zone will expand, your reactive emotions will minimize, and you will grow. Growth is your conscious choice to resolve self-limitations.